So with football superstar Lionel Messi continuing to struggle in the Argentina shirt, here comes world-renowned football coach Fabio Capello talking nonsense that Diego Maradona's teammates in the 1986 Argentina winning World Cup team were better players than the players in the present era of the Lionel Messi Argentina teams. Obviously, Capello is getting old and senile. Think we need to make the distinction for Mr. Capello between individual player quality and team functionality. The likes of Jorge Burruchaga and Jorge Valdano, Oscar Ruggeri, etc. cannot be compared to the likes of Sergio Aguero, Angel Di Maria, and Gonzalo Higuain, etc. in terms of consistent quality displayed season after season in elite club football. But while Messi has failed to inspire and or motivate himself or his teammates to perform anywhere near their full potential, Maradona led his teammates from the front to unbelievable heights and achievements on the world's biggest stage. So basically, what Fabio Capello is talking is errant and unadulterated nonsense. In fact, me know man, listen. Mr. Capello, the Maverick I talk to you. Listen to this. If we give Lionel Messi that 1986 Argentina team at the World Cup, him can't pass the first round. And if you give Maradona that 2014 Argentina team, him win the cup on a canter. Capello, go learn football.